Hey there! So, imagine you're trying to implement an ad in your Flutter application, and suddenly you encounter an error message say, "Ad failed to load 3." Frustrating, right? You've tried using both test and real ad IDs from admob, but the error persists. It's like a never-ending loop of troubleshooting. Now, let's delve into the solution. I had a similar issue running the code on an emulator, and guess what? The magic trick was running it on a physical device instead. Sometimes, the emulator just doesn't cut it, and the ad fails to load. So, if you're stuck with that ad failed to load error, give a physical device a shot. It might be the key to unlocking the ad display conundrum. In a nutshell, the problem seemed insurmountable with that pesky ad failed to load message haunting your every attempt at implementing the ad. But fear not, for the solution was simpler than expected. By running the code on a physical device instead of an emulator, the ad eventually loaded successfully. Sometimes, the quirks of emulators can throw a wrench in the works, but a tangible device might just save the day. So, plug in that device and watch the ads work their magic. And there you have it. If you ever find yourself scratching your head over an ad loading issue in your Flutter app, remember to give a physical device a chance to shine. It might be the missing piece you've been searching for. Take care, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay awesome.